Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all you are good and I am also good. Today I will show you a new experiment of SIM A7670G module with ESP32, the series we are going to. And today we are going to do how we can send data like DHT22 sensor, temperature, humidity from SIM A7670G to MQTT, and then we receive the data from MQTT and we will send the data to the MySQL database. Okay, so we are right now creating a database in the server. Already we create a database, we create a server actually. The video link in the description, please watch. We have a server here, so the database MySQL server already installed here, and this video is not for the installation process, so you please install it and the MySQL. And okay, so the here we are just testing purpose. We use a DHT11 sensor. This is a temperature humidity sensor, and this is connected with the ESP32 on digital pin 23. Okay, digital pin 23, and the circuit diagram of A7670G with ESP32 already in the screen, and there is a separated connection video, the first video of the series. Also I put the link in the description, please watch. Okay, so that part is the circuit diagram. Okay, and now we are going to, so this is the basic diagram. Our ESP32 and SIM A7670G module connected with DHT11 right now to get the temperature humidity data, the real data, and then it's send the data to the MQTT broker using GSM network. And we have a MQTT message listen script. This is the Python. In this script we just try to receive all the data from the broker, and we will send the data to the MySQL database. This is a simple script here, and if I open the code here, so this is the code, and all the same the code, the MQTT we just tested before, and here we just publish the data, and just like JSON data, the device ID, temperature, humidity, and it's published the data and 10-second interval. So let's upload the code. And the power up of the GSM module, there is a separated video, please watch that video. Okay, and the code, okay, it's connected with the internet, and we got the MQTT, and it's sending the data. You can see device ID, temperature, and humidity. Okay, I put the GitHub link here in the description, so you can see the code here. And we need some library here, arduino JSON, TinyGSM you already know, and the PubSub client is already know that this library needed, and this library link I also put in the description. Okay, and let's check in the Python script our data is received or not. This is the Python script here, and you can see we just, okay, wait, if we run this code, and you can see it's received the data on this weather slash data topic, and this is the message we are receiving the temperature and humidity. Okay, and now I will open the MySQL Workbench. I already create the database and the table, and this is the database we are using. So if I open it, okay, we need a password here. This video is not to install the MySQL and to create the table, so I hope you are already can do it. If you not, then I have a separate video coming soon, then I will describe details. Okay, so this database here, we have the table, our table, and this is the weather table, weather data, and if you refresh the data, we can see our data is coming. Yes, you can see this all data are coming from our devices to the MQTT, and our Python script just received the data and sending back to the MySQL server. If you refresh it, we can see the more data. Here is device ID and temperature and humidity and this timestamp. Okay, this is the data. This is the program for today, and hope you can really appreciate my video, and hope it will help you. So thank you for today. Next we can see what can do for next. Okay, if you love our video, please subscribe my channel and help me to grow up. Thank you very much.